Today's episode, I'm going to show you how to properly do it the right way of washing a Polaris Ranger. Number one, make sure it's the coldest day of the year when you're doing this. God damn, it's cold. So we're gonna do that, and then just rinse it down. I got soap. I'm using some McGuire's car wash for cars. So I'm using that thing to soap it down. I got a little glove thingy jiggy to wipe it down. Got a bucket of hot water because again it's cold. It's one of the coldest days of the year. We got JCB going down the street for some reason. All right, so we're gonna start by wetting everything down because after we turned the Ranger into a submarine, so now it's in pieces, completely in pieces. So we're gonna do clutches, we're doing engine, we're doing exhaust, we're gonna do the whole 9 yards with that thing. So we got all the pieces here and stuff. We got the rear, the dump bed, interior pieces. We got the hood, we got the broken clutches, two clutch cases. And it's it. So like inside, even in here, the front, it's all dirty. So we're gonna wash everything down. There's the center console area because we're gonna be pulling pipes. We're gonna be doing a snorkel kit, so all that has to be removed. So that's all caked in mud, and then the engine, all the engine bay. The engine bay is all dirty too. There's lots of mud way down there that just collects over time. If you don't clean it, it's gonna start rusting the frame. So that's it. Okay, first thing, so we'll wash it down. Okay, so we drenched everything with soap on all the parts on the Ranger, completely doused with soap, inside, outside, everywhere. So it's a Ranger, it's allowed to be underwater, kind of thing. So engine bay, the same thing. So now we're gonna start the power washer, clean everything up.
How are your hands? Cold.
Well guys, that's it. There you go. Looks like a brand new car. This up, inside, outside. Sleep power washing it. They don't hurt nothing. Just make sure your battery and computer is not plugged in. Well, besides that, everything is good. Now we're gonna start winching. Winching this back.